What's up, everybody? Welcome to the couch. Today I got something awesome to show you guys. It's this little thing here, the KiSS KeyChain Configurator. It's kind of a community project. I don't know if it's open source or not. I guess it's not open source because it's KiSS. But so what this will allow you to do, this has all the functionality of a regular KiSS app. And what I personally like about it, it can also do crossfire. So for the crossfire, you need to hook up external power to it. And since this is a vanilla unit that we're still going to sell, I hacked up some clamps, and we're going to clamp in some power. I guess you guys can hear me, right? Something seems to be not working with the chat. Let's have a quick look. What's going on here? How come the chat is not working? All right, we'll see. It usually starts working after some time. All right, so I'm just going to clamp in some power here. And I will switch to the product camera right in a second. So here I just connected this, and I'm going to use this battery here. All right, product camera, here we go. So you can see here the KiSS KeyChain Configurator. Boom. And I've got a full-size crossfire here that I'm going to connect it to. Obviously, the cool thing about this is this will give you an OLED on the Micro TX, right? Where you don't have one. All right, hang on. Let me just connect this up real quick. So you will need an OTG cable, just like this, right? Because the Crossfire Micro and the KiSS have OTG, or have the micro socket. Oh, and one thing you should keep in mind, if you're using the KiSS, you obviously won't need the external power, right? It'll just work. And another thing that Alex told me is you can connect Bluetooth to this, and you can use it with the SpeedyB app. Yeah, pretty sweet. And I guess you can also use it instead of the SpeedyB app to connect to your flight controller. Sorry, you can use it instead of the SpeedyB app with the SpeedyB dongle, which is a USB receiver. So there we go. We're going to power it up. This is how it looks like when it powers up. And I'm sorry for the reflections. Yeah. The crossfire isn't turned on yet, so we are going to go through the KiSS menu real quick. And I'm sure there's better videos out there. Hang on. Let me just fix the zoom here. Or focus, or whatever it's called. There we go. There we go. All right. So it's focused correctly now. I don't know if you can see this. This is FC setup. So you can go in here. You can change your PID, levels, all that stuff. You can jump to the next page. VTX, holy shit. Yeah, I mean, basically you can do everything that you can do in your, in the PC software. Tool setup, here there's some settings about the tool. Info, which firmware that you're on. Updating the firmware is super easy, by the way. I just connected this to the computer while holding down the left, like pushing left. And it just shows up as an external storage drive, and you just drag the file from from GitHub to the KiSS thing, and it works. So that's super awesome. Well done, Alex. And yeah, thank you for correcting me on the SpeedyB thing. I haven't slept much in the last couple of days, especially not yesterday, because I was up all night trying to fix the servers that you guys broke. I don't know why the chat isn't working, so I'm gonna be. Why the hell is this not working? No idea why it's not working. Anyway, so this is the KiSS functionality. Now I'm going to turn on the remote control. And I guess I will have to reboot the tool chain here. There we go. Alex, how can I get it into to work with the Crossfire? Am I messing something up? Do I need to hold a button or something? Plug is off. No, it's not. USB is not connected. It is. It is. Hang on. Maybe they put me on a stupid firmware here again. On the 2.42. So that should be okay. Okay, maybe I have to reverse the OTG side. All right, let's try that. Here we go. And it automatically and super quickly detects the Crossfire. Dude, that is awesome. Loading devices. It's only got the transmitter right now. And you have all those settings. Dude, that is super, super sweet. Yeah, this works really, really well. Head tracker. Nobody uses a head tracker anymore. So you got all these settings here. And if you go back, you can go, obviously you can configure more devices as you bind to them. So if you have your VTX set up over smart audio, you will be able to set your VTX channel here that's on the drone. And let me point out, like this super jangly wire situation here, you can print your own case or just use shrink tube and have like a little switch on a little 2S battery, something like, you know, like this here, a beta FPV 2S battery that will run this for forever in 3 days, and you have got like, you know, an actual KeyChain device that can set up all of your little nifty flight controller settings, Crossfire settings, whatever it is. So once Betaflight works together with CRSF to set up all the PID stuff, you will be able to, and I'm probably not holding this in frame. Give me a second, guys. Sorry. Let me just have a look here. There I am. Okay. So once your flight controller, or once Betaflight works together with the CRSF, we can then you know, just select the flight controller, any kind of flight controller, not just KiSS, over the Crossfire and configure all of our settings that way. All right. It works also as camera USB charger. Okay. So I guess, all right, that's sweet. So you can charge your GoPro using the OTG cable. All right. Yeah, but then you would need a bigger battery than just a 300 milliamp. So yeah, it's overall it's a really neat product, really well thought out system. Thank you very much, Alex, for doing this. You can get it from our store right now. It's in stock. It just arrived today. So if you guys are checking out any of our Black Friday deals, Cyber Monday deals that are on the store right now, have a look at this and consider buying one. It's seriously, I was skeptic at first, like when Alex approached me about the project at the start. I was like, why would you need this? And well, I guess, you know, I got the Crossfire OLED screen, right? Which is kind of doing the same thing. But for those of you that have a micro TX and that always wanted to have an OLED screen, this here is not just for your Crossfire. This is for so much more. So yeah, I'm convinced, Alex. Awesome product on the website right now. Check it out if you want to. This is me signing out from the TBS Lounge. Have a good day, guys. Bye.